Skylark, what are you doing?
I got some cleaners here.
What you got there?
Interior cleaners. Check it out.
What do you need that for?
This, I'm going to clean the Buick because the owner's going to be coming to pick it up soon.
Oh, yeah? He's coming to get the car?
Yeah, he's coming to get the car.
Oh, okay.
And I just thought I wanted to freshen up the interior a little bit before he gets it.
Right. Here, knock it out.
It says shake well. Then you got to wash the outside.
Here, you got a rag already here.
Oh, good.
Here, knock it out.
All right, well, let's get started.
Let's get started. Let's get moving.
Before the owner brought it here for us to do the engine, he redid the whole interior and the vinyl top. Check it out.
Yeah, he had, actually, I think it's a place that's not around anymore.
No, it's not.
This place was called Montclair Auto Top.
Yep. Yeah, they did a couple things. Whoops, I'm sorry.
The place was phenomenal. I had a whole bunch of my cars done there, but now I think the guy was pretty much up there in age. He closed the place down or whatever the case was. Did he squirt?
No. I went to go turn this to spray and it was pressure and squirting on you.
Wait, come on, let's get busy.
Right, let's do it.
So did you buy stuff for the plastic?
Well, no, this does everything. It doesn't have to be only for carpets. This could go on vinyl, glass, carpet.
Not glass too?
Glass. You finish one, you get another one, you know?
Everything. Everything? Everything.
Let's get cleaning.
Let me see that rag.
Check it out. Look how dirty that was.
This car was like mint inside. It was mint. And now look how dirty it is. I didn't realize it was this dirty. It does like miracles, bro. It does miracles on the interior.
Miracle spray we're gonna do.
Miracle spray? Oh, really? Can I borrow this for a minute? Nothing's happening. You know what? If I'm not wrong, this stuff you can even do the jams. You can clean all this, all the dust and the dirt from the jams. Knock out the door panels, real nice and everything. Looks good, man.
Man, look at that.
Beautiful. Really cleaned it up. It does. It looks good even in the jams. It cleans everything, this stuff.
And it smells.
It smells good. It smells like a
wonderful.
new car. It smells like kind of like a new car smell.
Yeah. All right, let's do this the other side.
Looks good. You missed the spot. Looking over the world.